Hey there, back again, sorry, someone at the door. Okay, so where was I? Reading through this assignment, basically, just some reminders about basic concepts that we've already looked at, so you don't want to all of a sudden just sort of forget about these and write in the I voice, write this very informal kind of conversational essay. You want to make sure that you're using quotations from the primary text in every body paragraph, integrating them smoothly into the essay, creating that works cited page as part of the document, formatting the page itself correctly, the entries within that page correctly. So there is a lot to do, but it's all stuff that we've done before and all stuff that has, multiple examples that are provided here within our course throughout the units. This MLA citation links has, again, examples that you can look at and video walkthroughs. So use the resources to your advantage, and then use the fact that these essays are heavily weighted to your advantage by making sure you really invest the time to make them as polished as you can, to make them so that when I read it, it's obvious to me that you have done the work for the class. Listen to these announcements. So again, if I'm getting an essay that is on flight patterns, for example, I've already said that that's kind of a really bad idea. So the first thing I think is, has this person not just watched this one announcement, but really paid much attention throughout the course? Or has this person just sort of skimmed through the units, looked for what the assignment is, done it at the last minute, which I can see because everything is time-stamped and date-stamped by the computer. And so you end up with a really poor essay, and that, of course, hurts your grade because they're now weighted so heavily relative to what we've done before, and of course the weighting gets heavier as we get towards the end of the course. So this is really the time to kind of focus. We literally just have a couple of weeks left in the class. So really, focus, invest the time, invest the effort. Be in touch with me if you have any questions, and really sort of time management becomes more important now maybe than it has been even up to this point, although it's sort of important throughout for a course that's as short as ours. Okay, so I'll talk to everybody soon, and be in touch if you have any questions.